saw someone do this on TikTok and I did not think it was going to work. So I had to try it out. Here's what I did. I got a little candle and a mask and some sellotape. You then want to tape the 2 string ends of the mask to the candle, just like this. Then what you want to do is you just want to spread out the mask into an umbrella shape, right? And now I'm going to light the candle. So I'll take my lighter and I'm simply going to light the candle wick, hold the mask over the flame just like so, and as it collects the hot air, you're going to see it's going to start to float. And this works exactly the same way a hot air balloon does, where the hot air is less dense than normal air, causing it to float. So if I simply just blow out the candle, you see it just falls straight to the ground. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching and follow for more.